motion going. And it gets fast. This one's the one pocket. I've still done it in reverse. The rear-wheel drive. Andy appears to be a little bit stuck there. Behind the other window. Actually.
Just do that. Yeah. You need it. Put the seat facing backwards, can you?
Yeah.
Fucking done it again.
Mate, keep my phone away from you because in a minute I'll fuck it up.
Oh,
Hit you
that's
everywhere.
yeah. Mate and Land Rover still coming up. Oh, drop that down.
Everyone alright?
Yep.
Fucking you are carnage, man. Said it was naughty though, didn't I?
Yeah. Not as naughty as Hot Fast Ligo, is it?
We haven't even finished yet, mate. Everybody lean!
See you later.
That naughty. I said it was naughty, didn't I? Yeah, well, you know when Hadley broke down,